I am now in another new role, this time in a whole new building, working as part of a 9-member body, speaking of the challenges of collaborative decision-making.
Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson completed her freshman term in what was a blockbuster year for the Supreme Court, speaking more than any new justice in the past 30 years and charting surprising alliances with some members of the 6-3 conservative bloc, despite her liberal status. Jackson was nominated by President Joe Biden to succeed Justice Stephen Breyer, and she's the first Black woman to serve on the court. The court as a whole was still reeling from a tumultuous term last summer, resulting in weeks of protests outside the justices' homes and serious threats to members of the conservative bloc due to the overturning of Roe v. Wade. This term, the public was finally welcomed back to the Supreme Court after nearly 3 years of closure. But the High Court's rulings this term also came at a time of low confidence in the Supreme Court as an institution. A trickle of headlines about unreported gifts to Justice Clarence Thomas by a GOP megadonor have also raised calls for ethics reform. Jackson wrote 5 majority opinions and 6 dissents this term, and found herself siding with the conservative majority more often than might be expected of her. She agreed with 84% of the court's decisions in total. Jackson also made some striking alliances, like with Trump-appointed Justice Neil Gorsuch, who she agreed with in at least 4 opinions this term.